Today, guys, we are making pepper soup egusi. Guys, join in. Let's cook this soup together. So yeah, we want to make use of cow meat and chicken. So guys, stay tuned as we make this delicious egusi pepper soup. So I've already washed the meat. I'll put it there inside the pot now. You know, it's summer. We are not making too much soup. So this is garlic. I got it. So we have a black pepper powder. We have a ginger powder. Also, so we are making use of this is pepper soup spices. This is like Maggi. This is Maggi. So I add some pepper soup spices, and we also add salt. This is salt. Not too much salt. You know it's pepper soup. The soup don't need too much salt. So we have our onions. So add everything inside, guys. All we need to do, we have to hold it. Turn it together. Mix it thoroughly so that everything will add yourself very well. So we are done mixing it. We'll cover it to cook first on the gas. Guys, let's turn the soup and see our mix. So we are going to add pepper to it. We add in the breaded pepper and onions. So we mix it together. Mix it together. We are still going to cover it like this for like 2 minutes. So we'll come and add water later. Cover it up. Okay guys, let's add the water inside. So we are adding in the water now. So we also turn it together. So we cover it so we cook it. Let's go and slice the fish. I want to make it. Let's cut the fish. We are making using 4 fish. We are using 4 fish, guys. So guys, we are going to add fish inside. So we turn it together. So I'm going to blend our egusi. Let's go and blend the egusi. Okay guys, we want to add our local pepper soup spices. This is local pepper soup spices. So I bought it like this. We are going to use 2 of these. It's this one that will give you that aroma of pepper soup, the taste of pepper soup spices. This is the ingredients. Guys, share this video. So we mix it together. So that they will marry themselves very well. So this is how you can cook your pepper soup, egusi soup. You can cook your pepper soup, egusi soup. It's yummy. Okay guys, let's add our egusi. So this is the blended egusi. We add it inside. So we are going to use water to whisk it. Whisk it with water. Pour it inside with water again, add it. Okay, so it's time to cover it to cook. Let it boil before turning it, guys. Okay guys, let's check out this soup. Now take a look at our soup. The soup is super good, guys. Now see the soup is cooking. This is how you will cook your egusi pepper soup, guys. Try it, you will love it. You will love it. Try it out, guys. So we are turning it. We are still going to cover it to cook, guys. Oh, this soup is yummy. Let's test it. Okay Okay guys, it's time to add bitter leaf inside. This is bitter leaf. I lower down the heat of the gas so that it will not be burnt. It will not throw away. So here is the bitter leaf. We mix it together. Mix it. Let everything marry itself very well. So guys, let's test it. Now that's that. So I want to add a little bit of salt. Because I need more salt. There's bitter leaf inside. Sasa, si sasa, inesolelu yama. So guys, our soup is ready. It's ready to eat, guys. It's ready. It's very ready.